Hey everyone, it's Miss Scott, and I just want to give you a little heads up about Schoology. Just kind of walk you through a little demo to make sure that you understand what you need to do tomorrow. So the first thing that your student's going to do is open their Chromebook. They do not have to have their S number and OCS password as long as they have their Clever badge, because they should be able to, when they open their Chromebook, they should be able to click the next button, flash their Clever badge, and it should log them in. If for some reason it doesn't work, shoot me a Dojo message or an email if they don't remember their S number and their OCS password. But when they shine that Clever badge, it should bring them right here to the Clever page. This is what we've been using to house all the stuff that we usually go to. Mine looks a little different because mine's the teacher version, but your student should click right here in the black icon that has the S. That's our Schoology. When you click here, it's going to bring up this page. This is your dashboard for Schoology. Now, you've got this blue bar up at the top. If you go down some rabbit trap hole and you're stuck and can't figure out how to get out of it, come up to the blue bar, click Courses, and it's going to bring you back to this right here, no matter where you've been. Mine, again, looks a little bit different because mine has all my teacher stuff. But the first thing that they're going to do every Monday is they're going to sign into my little virtual classroom, my perfect world with the dogs, getting to come to school with me. And they're going to do what is a Monday check-in. When you click here, it's going to pop up. You see that flashy, twinkly, happy Monday? They can click on the picture or the words. They're going to click the Monday check-in. And all they do is scroll down. And this is required, okay? You can type right in the screen. All they're gonna do is type their name. Let's see if it'll help me to do this. They're gonna let us know how you're feeling, and they just click one of these. They've done these in the classroom. They know what they're about. I hope that y'all had a good weekend. Tell me something fun that you did, or tell me something that you wished you could do, and then hit submit. Be sure to hit submit, because if not, I'm not gonna know to count them for the attendance factor for tomorrow or for Mondays. It doesn't matter what time on Monday this is done, as long as it is completed by 11:59. I don't think any of our people will be up that late, but just in case. If something comes up and you guys have technical difficulties, no worries. Shoot me a message on Dojo or an email, and we will figure something out, and I'll know that you were okay and alive and doing your work. So after they do that check-in, they're going to go back to Courses. And the next thing they're going to do, and they don't have to do this in a certain order. I know that we sent on the remote learning page that they did, just as far as just to make it easier, probably. But all they have this week is reading and math. We're trying to just to ease them into it. The first thing that they're, if you choose to do, is going to be reading. And when they go to reading, they're going to go to where it says week 1. Mine still has that up there. I'm sorry. And they're going to, everything that we do on Mondays are called Make It Count Mondays for our remote learning. So they're going to click here. It says, here are the directions for your remote learning reading assignment. So it says that to read when Charlie McButton lost power in your reading book. If your child is one of those students that left their book at home, it's not a big deal, I promise. You may also watch the audio book of this story. So if they left it at school, click here where it says Charlie McButton video. If they did not, they need to read the story, and they can also watch it, but it is here for those students who left it at school. The second thing that they have to do is, after you have read or listened to the story, answer the discussion questions. To do these discussion questions, they're going to click here. They've done these sample questions before in class, so they should know what they're doing. And then it says, just 2 simple, easy questions. Think about a time you experienced a power outage. Did you react like Charlie McButton? How did you pass the time during the outage? So they're going to click there beside where it says to write a comment. All they're going to do is write it. After they write it, let's just say, I remember a time when the power went out. Ooh, one of those days, ... And then they're just going to click post. So that right there is what it would pop up as. I'm going to delete this just so that way everybody doesn't panic tomorrow on me. The next thing, so after they've done that, that's all they have to do for reading, okay? The next thing that they're going to do is they're going to go to math. Click here for Monday's math assignment. Make It Count Monday again. Same thing.